Good morning, good evening, all. Thanks for joining. So, so let me share my screen. So, for yesterday's session, we have discussed what is the Unix and what is the Linux, and what is the difference between Unix and Linux, and how to install the PuTTY and WinSCP applications, and how to practice Unix commands without Unix operating system. And we have practiced the sum of commands in yesterday's session. That is PWD, present working directory, and mkdir, create a directory. If you want to create a multiple directories, you can create like this. If you want to enter that directory, command is cd space directory. Okay. If you want to see the calendar, so the command is cal. And if you want to see the date, the command is date. Okay. And we can create a file by using the cat command and touch command. So what is the difference between cat and touch command? So cat command, we can create a file. Inside the file, we can write a content. But touch command, we can create a empty file. Okay. 1 second. Sorry. So so how to create a file by using the cat command and touch command. So if you want to check the how many files in the one directory by using list command. Okay. So today we have continued with the remaining commands. That is these commands: who map, who, wc, copy, move. So we'll continue today's class these commands. Okay. Okay. Type Linux Zolog. Okay. Host join queue connect. Okay. Now it's running. Then go to the PuTTY, open the PuTTY application, and provided the hostname. Hostname is linuxzoo.net. linuxzoo.net. Open. Okay. So it's Linux operating is already running, right? So we can provide the username. Username is root. Enter. Provide the password. Here. And so here we can start writing a comments. Okay. So currently we need to check where we are. So PWD, present working directory. Currently we are in root folder. So currently I want to check how many directories list of files in the root folder. So write ls. So in the root directory, we have one folder is there, directory one folder. So if you want to enter the directory, you need to give cd space dir. Okay. So you need to check present working directory. So initially root directory is there. So after that, we can come into directory one. So in directory one, we need to check how many files are there. So ls. So in directory one, we have these files are there by file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4, head file. So inside the directory one, we have one more folder is there. That is directory 2. Okay. Okay. So let's start these commands. Who I am. So who I am means currently who is working. I mean, the currently who is running. Okay. Right. Who am right. Enter. So username is root. So root is currently working like this. Okay. Next one. Next one is food. So this is our computer name. Okay. Food. And so WC, that means word count. So how many words in a single file? We need to check by using the WC command. Okay. So I want to check how many words and characters are there in one file. We need to give WC file1 dot txt. Okay. So in file one, we have one line is there, totally 4 words is there, and totally 19 characters. Okay. We can check that way. Okay. Cat file1 dot txt. So totally how many lines are there? One line. In that one line, 4 words are there. Okay. Total how many characters? 19 characters. Okay. The next one is, so if you want to check multiple files, how to check? WC file1 dot txt space file2 dot txt. Enter. So in file one line is there, 4 words, 19 characters. And similarly, file 2, one line is there, 4 words, 19 characters. Totally 2 lines, 18 words, 8 words, 38 characters. Okay. Next command is WC -L. If you want to copy paste it, we need to copy this one. Just left click. Okay, directly it will take. Don't control V. Okay. So WC -L file1.txt means in file one, how many lines are there? So it will show you one line. Okay. So I want to check multiple files. How to check? If you want to write the same command, instead of writing again and again, click on up arrow. Okay. So previously I have wrote this command. Now I want to check multiple files. How many words and lines are there? Space file. So now I will give file3. File3 dot txt. Enter. So in file one, we have one line is there. File three, we have 5 lines is there. Totally 6 lines. Okay. Okay. So now I will give WC -W. Okay. WC space -W file1 dot txt. Enter. So words, how many words is there? W means in file one, how many words? 4 words, right? So let's see. So this one, file one, 4 words, right? So W means hyphen. C means characters. How many characters? So in file one, 19 characters, right? We can check that. Okay. WC space -C space file1 dot txt. So how many characters is 19 characters? Okay. So 19 characters. Okay. Okay. Next one is WC space file1 dot txt. So it will show you how many characters. Okay. M means characters. Okay. Next, WC hyphen capital L file1 dot txt. Okay. File1 dot txt. So 18 characters. Give me 1 minute. Okay. WC hyphen L file1 dot txt means, so in this file, how many lines are there? So in file1 only one line. So in one file, how many characters is there? Longest 18 characters. Okay. So let's to find the length of the longest line in the file. Okay. In suppose in file1 we have 20 lines is there. So in those 20 lines, which line is the length will be increased. So in this file, 80 total 18 characters is there. So that is the longest line. Okay. Next one, copy comment. Okay. So copy means, so I want to copy the same file. So let's say I'll show you. Copy file1 dot txt. So I want to file1 dot txt to file10 dot txt. Okay. Space file10 dot txt. Okay. Okay. List. Initially, file10 is not there in this directory. See, file1, file2, file3, 4, file head and Unix. File10 is not there. So now I want to check the list of the files. So file10. Okay, here we can see, right, file10.txt. Okay, that is the copy command. So if you want to move this file into another directory, currently we are in directory 1. In directory 1, one more folder is a directory 2. Okay, so I want to move this file10 to directory 2. How to move? Copy space file10.txt equal slash file10.txt. Okay. Get it. Copy file10.txt. Okay. Let me check. Already that file is there in directory. Let me check. So cd dir2. So cd list. Okay. File 2 is not there. Back to directory 1. Present working directory. Go directory 1. Copy file1 dot txt. There I want to give. I want this file. I want to move to directory 2. Directory 2 // file1 dot txt. Okay. Enter. Okay. List of the files. Okay. I want to move the file1 to directory 2. So initially, uh, in directory 2, initially there is no file. Let me check. Show you. So, so this is the previously directory list of the directories and list of the files in the directory. Initially, file2 and month.txt. These two files are there. So I want to move. I was moved to file1 to directory 2. Okay, let me check. Move to first directory 2. cd space dir2. Enter. So I want to check the list. Okay, here we can file1 .txt file is there. Initially only two files, file2.txt and months.txt. Okay. Next, I want to rename the file. So you for that we have to use move command. That is mv space. So what is the old file name? So old file name is, let's take file1.txt to file11. File1.txt to file11.txt. Enter. Okay, list of files. So initially file1 file is there. Here come to file11.txt. Okay. So next I don't want to this file11.txt file. How to remove the file? Just rm remove file11.txt. Okay, enter. So they're asking the permission if you want to remove that file. Con y, yes, enter. So now I will check list of the so initially file11 is there. So indirectly to now only file2 is there. So if you want to delete the directory, how to delete? rmdir directory name. Okay. So the next command is grep command. Okay. So grep command means you need to check the string whether the string is available or not. Okay. I'll back to directory one space. So present working directory. So stop files. So in directory one we have these files are there. So I want to check this string. Okay. That's it. So grep space double quotations this space file1.txt. So by using grep command, it will check this string is available or not in this file. Okay, let's enter. Grep underscore file1.txt. So this is not available. Check one more string. Okay, grep space double quotations ne in file1 file1.txt. File1 space one dot txt. Enter. So in file1 is also not there. Let me change it to file4. Okay. So in file4, this string is there. Okay, one string. It will show you. It will check this string is available or not in this file4. Okay. So I want to check this string. How many files are there? So this string is in which file this string will be available. I need to check. That command is grep double quotations, NE space file star. Okay. So all the files, the string is available or not. The file starting, the file name starting with file. Okay. Enter. So file 4.txt. So available. Okay. File 4.txt. 3 lines are there. In 3 lines, it will be available. Let me check another file. Okay. Yeah, great. I will give this command. Double quotations. THIS. This file. So, okay. So previously we have checked one string. Now I was checking this string. Okay, this the string is available in file 4.txt. So it will show you the this one. Okay. Okay. The next one is great space a1 I space this space this file star. So before string I have added capital I. That means it will show you case insensitive and case insensitive both. So if you not provided the hyphen I, it will give you the only small letters. So if you provided the capital hyphen I, it will take capital letters also. Okay. So the next one is space hyphen R, double quotations, THIS space star. So here hyphen R means it will check all the files in this directory. So in directory, so currently we are where are currently in directory one. So in currently directory, how many files are there? Totally nearly five to six files are there. So in that five to six files, the string is available or not. Okay. So directory to file two. In file two, this string is available. Similarly, directory to file two. Next, file four. This string is available. Okay. So if we provided the star, it will check all the directories. If we provided the hyphen R, it will check all the files. Okay. Star means all the directories. Hyphen R means will check the all the files. Okay. The next command is hyphen N. Let's give grep space hyphen N space double quotations 1.l1.txt. Enter. So file one, there is a string. Next, I'll give you file two. So file four, I'll give on. So in file four, if we provided the hyphen one, it will show you the number of lines. Okay. So total how many lines? 3 lines, and each line one string is there. Okay. Okay. Yes. The next command is grep space double quotations provided the cap symbol cap and one file 4 dot t. Thank you. File 2 file 2 is also not there. File 1 file 1 is also not there. Okay. I'll write a one line. Okay. In file 4.txt. If we want to enter the file 4, we can write cat then greater than file 4.txt. Enter. Okay. Enter. Control C. So I want to check whether that line is added or not. Cat file 4.txt. Enter. So one word answer. So this line will be added. So now I will give this command. Great. File 4. So what is this meaning? So by using the string in this file, the line was started or not. So previously not there. So I was created one more line starting with one string. Okay. So it will show you the line. Okay. That is the meaning of if we provided the gap, it will check by using the string, the line was started or not. Okay. So if you want to check done. Okay. I'll try that one also. Great. Space double quotations TON dollar file 4.txt. So in file 4, there is a no line ending with a dot done. Okay, I'll check one more file. It's running very slow. So okay, I'll add one more line for file 4. Cat then greater than file 4.txt. And my task is done. Okay, enter Control C. So I want to check whether the line is added or not. Cat file 4.txt. Enter. So my task is done. So this line will be added in file 4. So now I will write that command. Grep done file dot. So I was added fourth file. Enter. So it will show you this line. That means if you provided the dollar symbol, so before dollar we have on added one string. So that string is ended or not in any of the line. So what are the file we have provided in file 4? In one line, the string will be ended with dot done. Okay, now it will display like that. So star means if you provided the cap, it will check this string. By using the this string, the line will be started or not. If you provided the dollar, so in this file, the line will be ended with done or not. Okay. Okay. So next we will go for sort command. So sort. So first I need to check the files. Okay. Present working directory, currently directory 1. I want to check file cat file t.txt. Okay. In file 3, I have these data is okay. I want to sort the data. Okay. So how to sort? Sort file t.txt. Okay. So it will sort based on the number. So initially 1432. Now 1234. Okay. Next sort strings -r file c.txt means it will show you the reverse order. Okay. Okay. See, starting with 1234. Now reverse order 1234. Okay. So I want to filter the data based on second line. Okay. Sort -k to file 3.txt. So here filter the data, right? The second line will be go to the last place. Okay. Okay. So by using the sort command, we can remove the duplicates also. Okay. I'll show you that one. So first I need to check the file cat by dot txt. So in bike.txt file, I have added some data, that is this data. So here provided duplicates also. I want to remove the duplicates. Okay, how to do that one? Sort space -u bike.txt. Hit enter. It will show you only unique records. Okay, previously this data is there. If you provided write this command, it will remove the duplicates. Okay. Okay. The next command is I'll open one more file. Cat month dot txt. Okay. So why it's not seeing? Because in this directory months dot txt file is not there. Let me see. I'll go to directory 2 cd dir 2 enter. So I want to check how many files are there. ls command. So in this directory month.txt file is there. Okay. So cat months.txt. So here I have provided the some data Jan, Feb, April, July, March, but it's not order. So I want to order this data. So sort space -m sorry, capital M is month dot txt. Enter. Okay, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June. Okay. Okay. So that's all for today's session. So we can connect with tomorrow's session. So if you have any doubts, please write a comment in comment section. Thanks for joining. Thank you.